As a successful multi-millionaire businessman, you just don't know where you end up. It must suck being you, because us wealthy people, well, we're living it up. The lavish lifestyle in which a lot of multi-millionaires live. Look at us, how class are we? The luxury, the class in which I portray, the fast cars. Oh, the seriously lavish lifestyle that I live as a multi-millionaire just, I'm sure, makes you absolutely JJ, or jealous as we call it. The fun that I have on the beaches of Hawaii, it's amazing. Nope, the life of a millionaire is absolutely brilliant. I am just loving this life. I forget what it's like to work hard. Lying on the beaches off Cannes and Nice, and maybe heading to the Monaco casino. Yes, the success of life. So this is the toughness. I have just lost my microphone. This is the unrealistic events of what actually wealth is. You have to work for your money. Yes, I probably work too hard, but I enjoy it. I thoroughly enjoy being a humble, hard-working, successful, multi-millionaire business person. And I like working for other people and earning a few bucks from them. Oh. Hi guys, sorry to interrupt you, but over 6% of you are only subscribed to my channel, whilst you're enjoying my beautiful looks and my stunning charisma. I would ask that if you could, please like and subscribe, and remember, share any of the stuff that I do, share it, because it's really cool. Thanks for watching, ciao. And, you know, the views are great. But don't have yourself believe that doing work like this is not work of a successful, wealthy individual. This is what we all have to do to earn our buck, to pay our way and our taxes for the community. I am a wealth creator. I don't lie up in rich, exotic locations telling you that how you make money is to sit in Cannes and look good, because ultimately that's not what it's about. It's bullshit. It's working hard and it's delivering service for your clients and making sure that if you have to do it yourself, you do it yourself. These are the proficiencies of what is a success and how you work as a successful entrepreneur. Let me get down before I fall off the roof. It's cold today. Oh dear. And don't let these fake gurus tell you that lying in Dubai or Monaco or places where they show wealth and success, that this is what you do to earn your buck, to get yourself off the ground, to learn to become successful. You sadly have to do what is easiest, and what is easiest is hard work. Hard work and determination. Here's a client.